Hello students. In last class we have seen about the Hamiltonian circuit and Hamiltonian path. So in this class we are going to study about what is handshaking lemma. Okay, lemma means one of the theorem we can say that which is already proved. Just we have to remember what is that lemma. Okay, so handshaking lemma says that if any graph G is given which contains the vertices and edges. Okay, so any graph means either it will be a simple or the graph is not simple, means it is containing loops and parallel edges, that is also allowed. For that graph also this theorem is true. Okay, so if any graph G which contains vertices comma edges, then the sum of degrees of the vertices is the twice the number of edges. मतलब जो डिग्री ऑफ वर्टाइसिस रहेगी वो क्या रहेगी, टू टाइम्स द नंबर ऑफ एजेस, जो कि उस ग्राफ में कितनी नंबर ऑफ एजेस प्रेजेंट है वो उसके टू टाइम्स रहेगी. ओके, सो इन ब्रैकेट वी हैव रिटन दैट नीड नॉट बी ए सिंपल ग्राफ, मतलब ये बस सिंपल ग्राफ के लिए ही अप्लाई नहीं है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो हमने लिखा है कि समेशन ऑफ डिग्रीज ऑफ वर्टाइसिस where that this is just small v. Okay, summation of degrees of vertices is equal to the 2 times the number of edges. Okay, 2 times the number of edges, where this small v belongs to the capital V. Capital V is the set of all the vertices present in that graph, set of all the vertices. Total number of vertices will be represented by capital V, and small v is a one of the vertex, we can say that is belong to the capital V. Okay, so let's see, we will see one of the graph. So I will take this graph which contains the three vertices, that is A, B, C. Okay, so we have to find out the degree of this vertex particularly, that is belong to the this vertex set, that is A comma B comma C. So A is the one of the vertex belonging to the vertex set. So A is having the degree 2 because there are two edges incident on it. Similarly, B is also having the two edges, sorry, 2 degree because two edges incident on it. Similarly, C is also having the degree 2. So if I will do the sum of, I will apply this theorem, then that is become degree of A becomes 2, degree of B becomes 2, degree of C becomes 2, and I have to take summation. So I have taken summation equal to 2 times the number of edges. How many edges are there? This is 1, 2, and this is 3. So this is become 6 equal to 6. So we can say that for simple graph it is true. Okay, but again we will take one of the graph which is not simple. So this is the graph which contains again three vertices A, B, C. So its degree is 2, its degree is 3, and this is having the degree 3. So this is become 3 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 2 times the number of edges. Number of edges here becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 8, and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is also true for the not simple graph. Okay, so this is the one of the graph, we can say that which contains the vertices, 5 vertices are there, and in this graph loops are also present. So let's say about the degrees of each vertex, and whenever the loop is there in the particular vertex, that degree is counted as 2 for loop. So this is 2 for this loop, we have calculated 2, 3, 4. So degree of A is becomes 4. Similarly, degree of B 1, 2, 3, 4. So degree of B becomes 4. Degree of C 1, 2, 3, 4. So degree of C becomes 4. Degree of D, that is 1, 2, 3 edges are there. So degree of D becomes 3, and degree of E becomes 1. sorry, degree of E becomes, so here loop is there, so degree of E becomes 3. Okay, if I will do the summation of all the degrees, that is become 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3, that is becomes 18. So sum of degrees becomes 18. Okay, but another way we can also write for this is, suppose that we have the odd degree vertices here. How many odd degree vertices are there? There are two odd degree vertices. So this theorem can be modified as like this: summation over the summation degree of phi, where phi is belongs to the phi odd vertices, means we have splitted v into v odd. So in v odd we will get d comma e. Similarly we have splitted the vertices into v even. So in even we will get how many vertices? There are three vertices are remaining, that is A, B, C. And always remember that the odd degree vertices are always even. Odd degree vertices are always even. Okay. So we have written summation of degrees of vertices where V belongs to the V odd set, plus summation of the degrees of vertices where V belongs to the V even set is also equal to the 2 times the number of edges. So if we will calculate this, just a second. Okay, so if we will calculate, then summation of in this, so degree of d will come, this is the degree of d plus degree of e. This is about the odd, and this, what about even? Even is nothing but degree of a plus degree of b plus degree of c equal to 2 times the number of edges. So this is become degree of d and degree of e becomes 3 plus 3. And always remember that sum of degrees of vertices, मतलब जितने भी odd degree vertices होंगे वो क्या रहेंगे? Even. Degree of a becomes 4, degree of b becomes 4, degree of c becomes 4. So 2 times the number of edges. We will calculate the number of edges. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 2 into 9. So this addition becomes 18. So it is equal to 18. So we can say that this handshaking lemma is true for all the graphs. Okay. So please watch this video fully, and if you have liked it about the video, please comment and share the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.